by the greatest possible quantity. Then X is equal to... Okay class, what will happen if you mix 3 pieces of kamote, 2 pieces of saba, and 1 piece of gabi? Ilang kamote ang kakainin mo?
Ma'am, it will become ginataan or binignit. Well, 3 pieces pa din ng kamote ang kakainin ko.
Listen to Matsaya with Sir Raymond.
Only here at DYDC-FM 104.7, your development campus radio. Alright, it's 4:04 in the afternoon na mga ka-DYDC, mga ka-jantihan. Good afternoon. Today is November 9, 2020, adlaw nga Lunes. And today is Monday, and we are back not to our program. This is Matsaya with Sir Raymond.
Listen to the music, choose what you see. We got a very scenic university. Feels you in my heart. Feels you in my heart. Listen to the music, sing with us a song. Feels you in my heart. There is so much this school has given me. The sunsets and truths beside commodity. Oh, how can I repay? Listen to the music, sing it cheer and cheer. At the Messiah State University. Feels you in my heart. Feels you in my heart. Listen to the music, sing with us a song. Feels you in my heart. Well, it's here, it's here at the Messiah State University. Feels you in my heart. Feels you in my heart. Listen to the music, sing with us a song. Feels you in my heart. Feels you in my heart. Feels you in my heart. Ooh. I was walking down the road one day. Happy people smile along the way, and the sceneries turn on my fantasy. There's a lot of opportunities that point me to who I could be. It's a life-changing university.
Yes, good afternoon once again sa itong mga kasyentihan, mga ka-DYDC, mga suking tig paminawan. Doon nga itong istasyon sa DYDC 104.7 FM, your development campus radio. Once again, welcome to our program. This is Matsaya with Sir Raymond, and we are live via YouTube. And if you wanted to join me here, and kung namin mga pangutana o mga clarifications or inquiries about our topic for today, you can just send that one to our DYDC hotline number. That's 0921-410-5070. And you can also comment that one sa ato comment section. Alright, our topic for this afternoon, binasa ko makasyentihan diya karon nga nag-atong og nagtan-aw no sa to programa karon og naminaw sa ilang tagsa-tagsa ka mga radyo diha. Oo, so our topic for today, we'll be talking about trade and cash discount. This is actually a continuation of what we have discussed last week. Oo, so as a simple recall, our discussion last week was all about simple and compound interest. And so this afternoon, we'll proceed to our next lesson would be talking about trade and cash discount. Once again, good afternoon no sa ako mga kasyentihan di karon ng mga ABM grade 12 students and ang ako mga business mathematics nga 4th year students. Happy listening and good afternoon. Stay tuned lang mo diha sa ato mga ka-DYDC no sa mga ginikanan nga namin no diha karon sa ato mga kasikpit nga barangay sa mapagwapagakisan sa ato mga faculty and staff ngon na naminaw po dinhi. O and of course no sa ato mga suki po diha sa VSU Market. Alright, so dili nato padugayon pa ang ato paghuwat no ato na pagasugdan ang ato discussion no for this afternoon. Once again, our topic is about trade and cash discount. Alright, so our learning outcomes though for this afternoon, we have only two outcomes or objectives. The first one is to, we should be able to define cash and trade discount. And of course, as an application, we have to solve problems involving trade and cash discount. But before that, we have to determine or identify first or remember these key terms nga ato masugatan later on as we go along with our discussion. So we have here wholesale. So it is a business that buys merchandise from manufacturers and sells it to a retail store. Okay, so somewhat mga dagko ni siya nga company mga wholesale. And you can avail actually trade or cash discount if you are going to buy your products or your goods sa mga wholesaler stores. The retail one is a business that sells directly to consumers. So we have actually a lot of examples or merchandisers here dinhi sa ato dakbayan sa baybay. Nga matawag na to sila nga wholesaler and at the same time retailer. So napo yung uban nga wholesale lang sila, ang uban they only offered retails, So depende na siya. And then we have also the consumer, It is an individual who buys. It is an individual who buys products or product for personal use or consumption. So let's say for example, if you are going to go to a store and you are going to buy something, a product or an article, and then you buy that one for your own personal use or consumption. Okay, and then we have the catalog and the catalog price or the list price. Original, it is the suggested price or the original price. So, mo anong gitawag na itong SRP, suggested retail price. Net price is the final price paid after deducting the discount. So if you have the original price and then the store or the company or the manufacturer or the retail store or the wholesale store offered you a specified amount of discount, then you can after deducting the amount, then that will be your net price, and that net price is your amount that you are going to pay in a store. Then we have also the amount of discount. It is the amount deducted from the list price, right? And it is very easy to compute for the discount, because all you have to do is to multiply. You are going to multiply the original price multiplied sa ato gihatag nga rate, no? Oo. So let's say for example, if the original price is 100 pesos and you are offered to have a discount of 10%, so you multiplied only 100 pesos by 10% or 0.1. No? Don't forget to convert your percent into decimal form.
A lot of opportunities that point me to who I could be. It's a life changing.
Alright, so let's define first what is a trade discount. Okay, so unsa man trade discount? By the way, we have two kinds or two categories for discount. We have the trade and the cash discount. So when and how can we apply, or when can we apply trade discount or cash discount? Right? So trade discount is a deduction made by wholesalers and manufacturers from the cost of their goods bought by retailers or customers. There are two types of trade discounts: the single trade and series trade discount.
When I'm far away, the memories.
So it means that a trade discount can be given to you if you are going to buy your goods or your product from the manufacturer itself, or the wholesalers, ang mga wholesalers. And by experience, you can be given this kind of discount if you are going to buy your products or your goods in bulk, meaning kanang dinaghan niya pagpalit. You cannot be given a trade discount if you are going to buy only 1, 2, or 3 items. You can be given this kind of discount, specifically trade discount, if you're going to buy your goods or your products in a company or in a wholesaler store or from manufacturer, if you are going to buy the goods in bulk, meaning kanang dinaghan. This is somewhat kanang ato gitawag karon nga negosyo, kanang buy and sell. If you're going to buy more items from a company or a manufacturer, and then sa inyo locality you are going to sell that one, so probably you can avail the trade discount given by the manufacturer. And yes, we have two types of trade and cash or trade discount. We have the single trade and the series trade discount. So unsa may kalainan aning duha? Sometimes you are also given trade discount. By the way, sometimes you are also given trade discount. Aside from you bought or you buy products in bulk, you can also be given this kind of discount if kanang gitawag nato nga suki na ka, or kanang kanunay na ka mo palit ana nga store nya. Aside sa dinaghan ang imo pagpalit, nasuki na ka na, or you have a contract nga inyo gi kasunduan. Now, what is a single trade discount? This is the first type. This is the first type of the trade discount. So, single trade discount is a one-time discount given to customers when they buy a product. So, naatay key term diha one time. Kausa lang siya ihatag. Okay? So, kausa lang siya ihatag, dili kay kaduha or katulo, basta kay kausa lang siya. One time lang siya. Kung adto na ka sa store, tapos you buy the product in bulk, so you will be given a one-time discount, para nimo. On the other hand, a series trade discount means that multiple discounts are applied successively on the same item. Right? So let's say for example, you go to the company or to the manufacturer or to the wholesaler store, anya nag-offer siya, okay sir, if you are going to buy 100 pieces of this item, you'll be given a 20% discount. Tapos for 200 to 500 items, so naano po kay another 10% discount. And then for more than 500 items na ang imo ipalit or imo paliton, then naka-avail na kag 20% discount. Tapos naka-avail na po kag 10% discount. Then for the remaining sa excess of 500 items, tagaan na po kanila og 5% discount. So that is an example of a series trade discount. So example, suppose a supplier of shoes gives a retailer a 30% discount on all purchased products worth 50,000. We know that 30% of 50,000 is 15,000, no? Unsaon pagkuhaan na, all you have to do is to, once again, to multiply the 50,000 times the 30%, no? The 30% converted to decimal, that is 0.15. So 30% of 50,000 is 15,000. So the original price is 50,000 and the discount rate is 30% and the single trade discount is 15,000. So to get the selling price, we need to deduct the rebate from the original price. So that's 50,000 minus the discount. The amount of discount is 15,000. So instead of paying 50,000, you will now be paying only 35,000 pesos. Right? So example number 2. So a television that initially cost 12,990 is on sale at 20% off. If Raymond buys it, how much will he save? So pila man ang imo ma-save or pila man ang ma-save ni Raymond if ang original cost sa television is 12,990, unya naka 20% off siya. So you have to find first the amount of discount, and to find that one, you can just use your calculator, and then you get the product of your 12,000. Okay, 12,990 times the 20%, that's 0.2, right? So your discount there is 2,598, right? So therefore, if Raymond buys a television, he will save 2,598. So instead of paying the amount of 12,990, Raymond will now pay an amount of 10,392 only. So you have to subtract the original price minus the amount of discount. So ang iyan na lang bayaran is only 10,392.
There is so much this school has given me. The sunsets and truths beside.
Alright, next example. If Nana saved 4,200 from purchasing a refrigerator that is on sale at 7% off, what was the original price of the fridge? So karon murag bali na pod siya, no? Ang ato gipangita na pod is the original price. We are already given with the rate of discount, which is 7%, and the amount of discount, which is 4,200%. So if you can still remember our discussion on percent and percentages, I guess that was during our episode number 5 or number 6. So we have discussed their percentages. So for our solution, the given information, of course, no? So for you to be able to have a guided solution and a systematic way of answering the problem, first is I suggest that you have to identify first what are the given data in our problem. So upon reading and understanding of the problem, we are given that the amount of discount D is 4,200 and the rate of discount R is 7%, or that's equivalent to 0.07. So the original price can be computed as follows. So the original price O is equal to the discount over the rate. So 4,200 over 0.07. Do the necessary operation, and we can get there that the original price is 60,000 pesos. So the original price of the refrigerator was 60,000 pesos.
There's a lot of opportunities
Another example is that a store offers a discount series. Alright, so this is katong previous examples that we have, examples 1, 2, and 3. Those are examples of what we are discussing a while ago, what we term as the single tray discount. Again, a single tray discount because we are only given one time discount. But example number 4 is already an example of what we term as the series trade discount. Or in some references, it is a chain trade discount, no? So mo nang iya term. For example, a store offers a discount series of 20, 15, and 5, meaning you are given 20%, 15%, and 5% for any orders above 9,000 pesos. Suppose Emily ordered 40 raincoats with a marked price of 300 pesos each. Find the total discounted price of the purchase and the full discount. So of course, before we proceed to our solution, again, we have to identify what are the given in our problem. So we are given that the total price of 40 raincoats at 300 pesos each is 12,000. Since the total amount of the order exceeds 9,000, because that is our condition, no? Emily can only be given this discount series if ang order niya is musubra sa 9,000 pesos. And computing, no? That's 40 raincoats plus multiplied by 300, that is equal to 12,000. Meaning, na-exceed siya sa 9,000. So the discount series can be applied. Okay, na-meet man nato ang condition. So for the first discounted price, that is S sub 1, use the rate for 20% and original price, which is 12,000. Hence, that is 12,000 multiplied by 1 because 1 because 100% man na siya, di ba? 100% minus na to og 20% or 0.2. So, that is 9,600. Meaning, naka-discount na ka og 2,400. Sa first nga discount ka gihatag nimo because you are already given with 20% discount. And then, for the second discounted price, S sub 2, use the rate, the second rate given, that is 15%. And our original price karon will not be already 12,000. Ang ato na po gamiton karon is the new price, which is 9,600. So that is 1 minus the rate, that's 15%. So 1 minus 0.15, so that's that's 0.85. So 9,600 times 0.85, so that's 8,160. And for the last discounted price, or the final discounted price, S sub 3, we will use the rate, the third rate given, which is 3%. And our original price now is already 8,160. So mo nang gitawag siya nga series or chain trade discount kay maka-apekto ang mga previous discounts or discount, the previous discounts. Maka-apekto siya sa imo new price current or the net price. So, for the third and final discounted rate, we can have 5%. So, multiply by 1 minus the 5%, multiplied by 8,160. So, our discounted price will become 7,752. Therefore, the total discount is 12,000 minus 7,752. That is equal to 4,248. So, mao na ang imo na avail na discount, Kanang 4,248. Ang imo na lang bayaran karon, instead of paying 12,000 pesos, you will now be paying 7,752 only. And yes, so according to Perlene Fernandez, daghan og discount karon sa 1111, Lazada and Shopee. So at least no na mo'y guide on how to compute your discount. O okay na may nakabutang ato nga, this is 59% sale. This is 75% sale. So at least ma-compute na nimo kung pila na lang ang imo bayaran, no, coming from the original cost of the good that you are going to buy. Alright, so mao to siya ang trade discount. So before we proceed to our next topic, which is the cash discount, so let's have a short review. When we say trade discount, so it is a discount given for from manufacturer, no, from buying sa manufacturer or retailer or wholesaler stores. So mobalit kanila o kanang in bulk, no, nga mga produkto. Aside from that, siguro tagaan po kag trade discount if you are already kanang gitawag nito nga suki na kaana nga company or manufacturer. So that's why ingon bitaw nila, no, even in our mga practices nato, di ba? We have to, before buying, no, some products or goods, of course, aside from canvassing the cost, no, of the article, the product, to kanang para mapalit nato, diba, sometimes no mag-invite ag mga kailan nato, oy palit pud mo ging aning item, kay the more the merrier. Bitaw kung the more pud ang inyo makuan ng good, the more ang inyo mapalit ana, no, for the same item, probably the shop or the store will offer you a discount, no, and this kind of discount is probably, no, it's an example of a trade discount. So mo na siya nga mang-invite kag mga friends, no, mga besties nato, mga friends nato, and classmates or even mga family members nato nga ato sila i-convince nga mo palitag the same item kaya para mas makakuan daw ta, maka-save. Well, that's true, no? Sometimes that's true. Not actually sometimes, but most of the time, no? Kay mao na siya ang gitawag nato ka trade discount. Kay the more nga imo paliton ana nga item, the more po sila nga mohatag nimo, no, og kanang amount of discount. Okay, it's also one way to, you know, to catch the buyers, no, buyers attention. Mopalit ko ani og daghan. Nya iyara dito ibaligya pud og balik. Oo. Mo nang gitawag nato nga unsa na siya nga business kanang gitawag nato nga buy and sell. Alright, so let's proceed to our next type of discount, no, which is the cash discount. Noon sa man pud ni ang cash discount. Unsa may kalainan ni cash discount ug ni trade discount? Kung si trade discount, ihatag ang amount of discount or tagaan kag discount sa mga products or article or items or goods nga imo paliton sa usa ka manufacturer or sa usa ka company or sa usa ka store. Ang cash discount naman is a type of discount given for early payment of an invoice or monthly statement. Oo, ang pinakasayon ani nga ato mahinumduman is kana ato gitawag nga rebates. Rebates is an example of what we term as cash discount. No, it may be deducted if the account is paid within a stipulated period. Let's say for example, ay dapat mabayaran na nimo 15 days after, karon. Oo. And or pwede po na siya mabayaran nimo on or before sa due date. Right? So it is given para mas kana ganing ma-encourage, no, this discount, no, cash discount is a type of discount given to customers or individual to encourage him or her to pay his or her bills early, no, even earlier than the due date, no. Okay, you know, ang company manggod kani mga ingani nga mga company or businesses, ila manggod na i-rotate rapod, no, ang money nga imo ihatag mo ang mas maayo malipay sila nga mas maayo or malipay sila nga mobayad ka, no, sa imo mga bills ahead of time or earlier. Kay makasave man sila, makasave sila time. Kay there's no need for their agent or collector to go to your house para maningil, para mangayo, no, sa bayad or sa imo bill. Ika naman mismo among ato sa ila office. And by doing so, they can save time and effort or money. Even money, no? Kaya di na sila mo gasto og pagasolina or siguro di na mo gasto og para pabayad sa usa ka agent or collector para maadto sa inyo balay. Diba? So mo nang naay cash discount. No, it is given to an individual to encourage him or her to pay the invoice or the bill or the statement, monthly statement earlier than the scheduled date, no? It is due 30 days or the first day of the month if no terms indicated. So that's why if you are going to, no, before signing any contract, you have to read first the terms and conditions. Kung kay importante biya dyan na kayo niya kita kay ditso naman ta perma, di ba? Kay ang kasagaran biya ng terms and conditions kay gagmay kay gusto na siya sa box, no, gamay na kaayo basahon. So you have to read, no, these terms kay para makahibaw po ka, you are aware also, no, of your responsibilities. And yun, no, if it is not, no, stated in your terms, then it is due 30 days or automatically first day of the month. Alright, so mo to siya ang cash invoice. Another example for a cash discount is, if you can remember, if you can observe, no, diba every year we have to pay taxes, sa mga residential taxes, mga business taxes, or unsa pa na, any type, no, any kind of taxes. Every year we have to pay taxes. And if you can observe or naka-experience mo, from siguro sa ako based on my experience, I was able to avail, no, a cash discount sa pagbayad sa tax. Kay nagbayad ko on or before March 31. Kay ang BIR or ang collecting office ana mo offer na sila for you, no? O mo offer na sila sa mga naay business or kato mohatag og mobayad og mga taxes, no? Na makabutang kay na unaay na ay tarpaulin or streamer, no, naa sa munisipyo or city hall or mga town hall mabutang. Pay your mo-announce sila nga to nga pay your taxes on or before March 31 to avail a 20% discount. So that kind of discount is what we term as cash discount. Oh, so kana siya maka-avail ka og kanang discount, no, kanang inigbayad mo sa imo tax kay nibayad man lagi ka before the deadline. So mao na siyang i-offer na nila kay para maengganyo, no, maengganyo ang katong mga tingbayad o mga tigbayad og mga taxes to pay their taxes ahead of time, no, kay para dili na pud sila mahago pa og kulit, no, sa mga di pa makasuhan og mga sitagan mga tax evasion, mga sa pa na mga about related tax nga mga kaso-kaso, di ba? And then, sakto po na sa ila system, no, maka-take advantage po sila ana of giving this kind of cash discount. The collecting office can also improve, no? Can also improve their practices and even their system. Dili sila maproblema in making, no, the financial statement, no, sa ila office kay before the deadline na gather naman nila, no, ang dapat nila nga i-gather nga money or na tax. So ing ana siya mo nang example, no, sa cash discount. So an invoice or bill dated August 21 would be paid on September 20 or any day up to September 1. So that is 30 days, no? 30 days. Kung wala siya gi-specify kung kanusa ang deadline or due date, then 30 days na siya or first day of the month. Note that N over 30 means that the bill must be paid within 30 days from the date of invoice and may be subjected to an interest change if paid after the time. So kung naay discount, kung mulapas pud ka, no, sa gihatag nga due date nimo, the company, no, might charge you kanang gitawag nato nga interest change or kanang our term, no, kanang penalty. Oo, kay late man lagi ka nagbayad, so naa na increase, no, mo tubo na siya na penalty charge. When the terms are N over 30, no cash discounts are granted. So kuan lang siya, kung kana lang inyo makita ka ng n over 30, it means that the discount, no, or that the invoice is due 30 days from the date of invoice. N stands for net. Alright, so remember, no, we have to remember this one. This is an example of terms, no? Terms. So, kung ang term sa inyo bill or sa inyo invoice, mao ni siya 2 over 10 n/30, it means that you can avail a 2% discount if you can pay the bill 10 days, no, from the date of invoice. Okay, so you again, kanang 2/10, meaning you can avail a 2% discount if you are going to pay your bill within the 10 days from the date of the invoice. However, the total amount is due if paid on any day from the 11th to the 30th day from the time of the invoice. Okay, 30 days man, n/30, meaning that the bill, no, is due 30 days. Meaning, if you are going to pay the bill within 30 days, dili pa ka matagaan og penalty ana. Pero kung mulapas ka sa 10 days, wala na pud kay discount, wala kay rebates. Alright, so example, Cruz Brothers received a bill for 12,500 with terms of 2/10 n/30. Suppose this bill is paid within 10 days from the date of the invoice. Cruz Brothers can save money. Yes, no, the Cruz Brothers can save the 2%, no, of 12,500. So how much they save? So that's only 12,500 times 2% or 0.02. So they can save 250 pesos. Suppose the bill was dated March 10. What is the latest date on which they could receive a cash discount? So kanus aman ang pinaka naka-remember hinoon ko sa ato anniversary nga pinaka. Alright, kanus aman ang last date daw nga maka-avail pa ka sa 2%. So muna ang buto sabot diha, if the bill was dated March 10. So 10 days man lang, so from March 10 plus 10, so dapat magbayad na ka on or before March 20. So ang March 20 mauna ang last day or last date nga maka-avail ka sa 2%. After that date, di na ka maka-avail pero dapat bayaran nimo 30 days after. So when was the due date? So April 9. So mag-ihap ka og 30 days, no? 30 days from March 9. We know that March has 31 days, no? So 31 minus 10, that's 19. Sakto ba? 30 naunsa na mo ko 20. 31 minus 10, that's 21. Sorry. That's 21. Alright, so that's 21. So plus 9, para mahin mo siyang 30, so that would be April 9. No? So April 9 ang last date nga dapat nimo bayaran ang bill, no, para wala kay penalty. Okay, so let's proceed to the different types of cash discounts, no? Depende na siya kung unsa ang inyo gisabutan, no, sa manufacturer or sa company or sa collecting office, diba? So depende kung unsa ang inyo gisabutan. So the first type of cash discount is what we term as end of month. So end of month meaning kaning nga term, no, 1% 10th EOM. So EOM stands for end of month or kani siyang PROX or PROX or PRO. Means that a 1% discount is allowed if the invoice is paid during the first 10 days of the next month following the date of the invoice. So sabot ana. Example. What is the last date of the payment in which a discount may be received if the terms are 1% 10th EOM dated May 3. So that will be June 10. Nga naman, you can avail, meaning, no, unsay bit sabot ana, you can avail a 1% discount during the first 10 days, no, of the following month. So unsa may sunod nga buwan ni May? That's June, di ba? O nya mag-ihap ka og 10 days. So that's June 10. For number 2, 2% dash 15th EOM. So dapat the following month of August, that's September. And then 15th month, so 15 days of September. So that's September 15. So until September 15, maka-avail ka og 2%. Mula pa sa September 15, di nakaka-avail sa 2%. 2%, 10th prox dated July 5. So unsay next month of July, that's August. Unya 10th prox month, so that's August 10. Okay? And lastly, you have 1%, 15 prox dated August 15. So the next month of October 15, no? The next month of October is November. So 15 days, so that's November 15. The second type of cash discount is what we term as the post-dating. Post-dating or sa inyo terms, no, sa inyo permahan ana nga terms and condition na ay sa inyo billing ana, no, na ay nakabutang ato nga as of. So it's a later date shown on an invoice at which time the terms of the given sale may begin. If a cash discount is allowed under such circumstances, the date of the invoice is used, not the date of the purchase order. So dili ka mag-start og ihap, no, you will not start counting the days from the date of purchase or the purchase order. But adto na ka mag-start, no, adto na ka mag-start og ihap sa days, no, sa number of days kano sa ka maka-avail sa discount sa iya post date, kano siya naka-post date or naay term mo to nga as of. Okay? So example, date of invoice January 12 as of March 15. Siguro nag-purchase ka ana, nag-order ka ana on January 12. Pero gi-as of siya, naka-post date siya, March 15, na terms nga 2/10 and 30, meaning you can avail a 2% discount counting the days from March 15, dili sa January 12. But you have to start counting from March 15. So 10 days from March 15, so that will be March 25. Alright? So meaning you can avail a 2% discount on or before March 25. And on April 14 or in April 14, the bill should be paid. No, kay due date man siya. Di na ka maka-avail og discount anang April 14, no? Pero dapat nimo bayaran so that you cannot be charged, no, by a penalty or a penalty. Receipt of goods or R.O.G, no? Receipt of goods or pwede po siya R.O.G, alright? So, R.O.G is sales terms where the cash discount period begins on the day the merchandise arrives. The terms of payments are computed from the day the goods are received, not the date of the invoice. Ako naka-experience ko ani when I applied for katong nagkuha ko unsa to siya nga appliance. Basta na ato gi-apply na kong appliance. Yeah, for example, today I order or I applied, no, for kani siya nga gadget or appliance ato. Tapos i-deliver pa man lagi siya kay kuhaon pa sa ila kanang warehouse. So let's say for example karon yan niabot siya 1 month after. So my bill, no, ang ako bill ato will start kung kanus nako na dawat ang product. Okay, mo nang receipt of goods. You will start counting the number of days that you can avail the discount that time that you receive your goods. Okay? Dili ngadto sa that time nga nag-order pa ka. Right? So mo na siya ang receipt of goods. Again, the discount, no, the counting of days, no, that you can avail your discount will start from the day kung kanus animo the day that you received the goods. Okay? Alright, so example, date of order received, June 10. Date of invoice, May 1. So again, you will not start counting on May 1. Rather, you will start on June 10. Kay June 10 man mo nadawat ang imo goods. With terms 2/10 and over 30, meaning you can avail a 2% discount 10 days from June 10. So, pila man? So, or kanus aman? So, June 10 plus 10, that's June 20. So, June 20 is the last day to receive a cash discount and July 10 is due sa imo invoice or sa imo payment.
It may sound my lows, but we
Another type of cash discount is the extra dating. From the word itself, no, extra na extra. Meaning kung itong extra, di ba, murag extension or basta yung ana, no? So extra dating, na siya variable nga X, is a discount where sales terms in which the discount period extends for a specific additional number of days. This type of cut is accessible for seasonal goods. Conditions, so for example, 2/10-50X indicates a total of 60 days in which a 2% discount may be taken. So, dili lang kay 10 days, since na may 50X, meaning ana, if you cannot pay no your bill on or before 10 days from the date of invoice or R.O.G ba na siya or unsa ba, you still have another 50 days extension para maka-avail pa ka sa imo 2% discount. And again, you have to remember that this kind of discount is only applicable or probably, no, or in most cases, applicable lang ni siya sa mga seasonal nga mga goods.
when I'm with you, my tomorrows are brighter.
Alright, so example, Unilever disposed of some off-season goods to Jacob Company. The invoice was dated September 12 with terms of 2/10-60X. What is the last day on which Jacob Company can take advantage of the cash discount? So you have to start counting from September 12. Start counting how many days? Dili 10 days, but a total of 70 days. Kaya naa naman kay 60 nga extension, no, or extra. So September 12 plus 70 days. So if you're going to count that one, meaning you can still avail the discount, the cash discount, on or before November 21. Alright, so we have one example here, an application. For example, Mr. Sanchez received an invoice dated December 10 with terms 2/10 and 30 amounting to 250,000 less a trade discount of 10%. He paid this bill on December 20. What was the amount of the payment? So kung ana, combination na ni siya sa trade o sa cash discount.
Down the road,
So ang ato pangitaon, ang iya original bill is 250,000 pesos. What we are going to do here is to find how much should Mr. Sanchez pay if the terms is given. The terms given is 2/10 and 30, and he also received a trade discount of 10%.
it's a
And then he paid the bill on December 20. The first question is,
city.
maka-avail pa ba siya? Maka-avail pa ba siya sa cash or trade discount? Let's find out. So the gross amount is 250,000 pesos. That's the original price. So the trade discount there is it's only a single trade discount. So all you have to do is to get a 10%. No, get a 10% from the 250,000 pesos. So multiplying that one, you can have a 25% or 25,000 rather. You can have 25,000 as your 10%.
Bring me closer to a day.
So you deduct that one from the original. That's 250,000 minus 25,000. So upon receiving a trade discount of 10% from 250, Mr. Sanchez will now pay an amount of 225,000 pesos. Then aside from trade discount, he was also being offered to be given with cash discount with terms of 2/10 and 30. Onya dated December 10, onya nagbayad siya og December 20. The question is, can Mr. Sanchez avail the 2% discount? The answer is yes. Kaya ni swak pa no ang 10 days, no? December 10 plus 10, that's December 20. So ni nakabayad jud siya on time, December 20. So si Mr. Sanchez can avail another 2% cash discount. So we will get a 2% from 225,000. That is equal to 4,500. So therefore, ang bayaran na karon ni Mr. Sanchez from 250,000 original price will be now become 220,500. Right? So dako po siya og na-save, no? Naka-gi-offer, naka-save siya using the trade discount. At the same time, naka-avail pa dyan siya sa cash discount. Alright, so our learning task here is to complete the table. So you are given with the following description or your goods or articles. And then the original price, that's before. And then the discounted price, mo nang sa column sa now. You have to find the amount of discount. Very easy, no? To get the amount of discount, you just have to subtract 5,999.99 minus 999.99. Mo nang amount of discount. The rate of discount, so amount of discount over the before times 100, so that's your rate of discount. So you practice this, and if you can get the answer, then you can just comment that one, your answer, and then later on I will review your answers. And for the assessment, you can also complete this table given the following terms and amount of invoice. So you have their date of invoice, January 5, days after invoice being paid. That's 8 days. So meaning maka-avail siya kay 10 days man, 2/10. So 10 days dapat niya mabayaran niya. Nagbayad siya 8 days from the date of invoice. So maka-avail siya sa 2% discount.
Listen to the music, sing with us a song.
And try also to compute or solve this word problem. ICM Nodalo merchandise received a cash invoice dated September 13 with terms 2/15 and /60 amounting to 572,875 less a trade discount of 7%. How much should ICM Nodalo merchandise be remitted if payment was made on September 25? This is quite the same to our example a while ago.
Yes, you in my heart. Yes, you in my heart.
And so, some references. So I got our, from these references from these textbooks and these websites. So thank you so much sa inyo pagpaminaw. If you have some questions or clarifications regarding sa ato topic for this afternoon, don't hesitate to message me or comment your questions down sa ato comment section. And for more videos, educational videos or supplemental video regarding mathematics, you can just follow me or subscribe to this YouTube channel para mas updated ka sa sunod nga mga lessons. Next week, this Friday, 4 to 5 in the afternoon, our next lesson will be talking about mark up and mark down. That would be our next lesson for next episode. Hello ko diha ni Miss Kathleen Valencia. Ingon pa niya nga very informative. Thank you so much.
Hellos, but we may never know the things that lie ahead.
The time may swiftly fly, we may have to say goodbye, but your friendships never end.
When I'm down and blue, my heart goes back to this place to start anew. When I'm with you, I see color in everything, makes all as gray. When I'm with you, my tomorrows are brighter than my yesterday.
Alright, so once again, thank you so much for watching and joining me here sa to another very informative topic no according to Miss Kathleen Valencia. Yung pa niya nga magamit na ako sa 11-11. Oo, so dili ta padalos-dalos og palit sa ato mga gi-order no. Oo, ibutang lang sana diha sa cart, add to cart lang muna. Oh, and then there might some instances no that ang kanang gipang post diha ang prices wala pa na i-appeal sa mga shipping fee, di ba? So you have to compute first. And then some kanang mga instances po na some instances gihapon nga siguro masayop sila og put no sa discounted price. So you have to compute no para panigurado. Para sigurado ka kung sakto ba jud na ang price nga imo bayaran. Oo, so you have to get the original price and then multiply it sa ilagi offer nga discount rate. Kung sakto ba jud no, sakto ba jud ang ilagi offer nimo nga amount of discount. Diba? So kaya para dili ta mailad. Oo. Iba talaga ang may alam. Ano na siya? So magamit na nato kayo unsa makaron November 9. 2 days na from now. Oo, so 11-11 na pod sa Lazada o sa Shopee. Daghan na po naka-add to cart. Oo, daghan na po makuan ani ron kanang sa tawag na siya. Tawagan no sa Ninja Van, sa JNT. No, bisag unsa pay kuan diha no sa mga couriers. Makaingon na lang tag sana all.
There's a lot of opportunities that point me to who I could be. It's a life-changing university.
Daghan na sag magkita-kita sa guard post. So kay para pagkuha sa ilang mga gipang order nga mga products. Oo, siguro usa na sila ni ato or duha na sila ni Miss Perlin o ni Miss Kathleen. Di na lang ko mag-sound. Yung kay daghan po kog naka-add to cart. Wala sana ko gi-check out kay wala pa tay pang bayad. Manang baka naman. Alright, check out time is 5:02 in the afternoon and it's time for me to say bye-bye mga ka-DYDC. Thank you so much sa inyong makanunay nga pag suporta niyo ng programa sa itong istasyon. Again, Friday na po pohon, alas 4 guto alas 5 sa kahaponan mag-uban-uban o magkita-kita na po kita din itong programa nga Matsaya. Kauban lang ang inyong teacher sa kahanginan, this is Sir Raymond. Once again, our topic for this Friday, we'll be talking about mark up and mark down. Alright, but before ko mag-say bye-bye, no, allow me to say or to greet, no, happy birthday. Happy birthday to all the people out there nga nag-celebrate sila mga adlaw na tawhan karon kahapon o sa mga maabot ka mga adlaw. So happy birthday kaniyong tanan. Especially to my dear school principal no sa Kilim Elementary School. Happy birthday to Sir Henry Cornico. Also happy birthday also to Ella Esperanza and to LL Morales and to Nashley. Belated happy birthday also to Jake, no? To Jake Kalamiton. Nasa karon sa Cebu. Belated happy birthday to you. And yes, no, sa tanan-tanan. Happy birthday and amping-amping niya mo. Alright, so special thanks to the Information and Communications Technology Management Center to Norman Villas and DYDC technicians Luis Prado and Arnel Gosela. On behalf of the DYDC Station Manager, Dr. Cristina Gabrillo, and Radio Engineer Shanvel Gonzalo, this has been your host, Sir Raymond, saying bye for now. And see you, and magkita-kita na tapuan. Thank you, bye-bye.
There's a song deep inside I can't erase. It's all about this amazing place, a home that we all can share. Listen to the music, see the sights to see. get a very scenic university. VSU in my heart, VSU in my heart. Listen to the music, sing with us a song. VSU in my heart.
There is so much this school has given me. The sunsets and truths beside commodity. Oh, how can I repay?
Listen to the music, sing it cheer and cheer. At the Beside State University. VSU in my heart, VSU in my heart. Listen to the music, sing with us a song. VSU in my heart.
Well, it's here at the Visayas State